Hi, this is Abhijit here again, and in today's session, we are going to see how do we create a list, a SharePoint list right from Microsoft Teams. Should be easy. So let's try it out now. I'm in my Generals channel, and I hit the plus button to add a tab, and then search for the SharePoint list. Here's the one. Okay, and I say save. In the next screen, you should be asked to create a list, and I'm going to say I'm going to create a brand new list. Okay, so this time I'm not going to start from an existing list or from Excel, but create a blank list. I name it issue tracker. I'm going to demonstrate the same that we created with multiple fields. It exists. So issue tracker 1. You can definitely give a description about it. Okay, I'm putting it a sign, and you can definitely give an icon and say create. Okay, to spin up the list for you, and this will be totally blank. Now, real quick, you'll always have a title ready. Now, say I add in a description of the issue, so you have the list of fields available to you. And I'm going to use a single line of text and say issue description. It's a single line of text, and nevertheless, you go to maximum number of characters is 255. I would say make it 350 or 300 rather. You can't have a single line of text. And say hit save, so you get one more column. And I say another column is reported by. So this time I need to choose a person or a group who is reporting actually. If you want, you can show the profile photos as well. You have a few more details to select. I'm leaving them as is. I select another one as date and time. Put it on. If you have a date and time, I don't need the time, so I'll leave it as is. Default value would be today's date, so it becomes easy for the person. Now say we need to know the how the issue is all about. Okay, so a choice, priority. So you already have a priority listed here. So I say it's a high, change the color to medium, give it a color, low, and let us give some other color. Yep, and you should be able to add choices too. You can certainly set a default value that it will remain as a low until the user prioritizes it. And hit a save. And you would also like to give the user, to attach something. Or give the user, okay, can you provide us the link of where exactly the problem is? Okay, so hyperlink. And allow the user to say, add in another column. And I say you add in something like an image. Okay, I would certainly need a few more fields if I am going to work it out, saying it will certainly get assigned to someone. As a person or a group. Yeah, you can show the profile picture. And we will definitely have something like, the state of the issue. So a choice is a better choice, state. New when you start with, in progress, close. You want to add one more? On hold. Okay, put a default as a new and hit save. So now you really know how actually you can create a list right from scratch. You can certainly hit the new button and try one, say error logging, see image attached, reported by. There you go. I'm the person who reported it. You can certainly have a link URL and error image that you want assigned to, I would say, developer. Automatically it picks up the new state. I can have attachments. You see, it comes by default, so you don't have to put in. So this could be anything that your choice, and hit a save. And that is how you would create a new list and add a record to check how this works. I think this will certainly help you. Now you can certainly export it, and you can certainly see this in the web view as well on SharePoint.